welcome back to another Dummy Tech Talks.
Heck yeah.
Today, Travis is going to be replacing a hard drive out of this laptop.
Yes.
With a Intel solid state. So 120, right? 120?
500.
Oh, a 500. Look at that.
Gigabyte.
From a...
I think it's 720 gigabyte hard drive, but the space isn't being utilized at all.
And everyone knows, a lot slower.
Yes, it's incredibly slow. It takes about 15 minutes for everything to load, and then you actually can use the laptop on that. Now, we've already gone through, and I've already mirrored the operating system, Windows, everything over to the solid state, so it should work fine.
It took hours, by the way, 3 hours.
Once it's done, though, it's done, and now we just swap the internal hard drive for this solid state, and then you can use the hard drive for mass storage if you buy a housing or something for it, or just throw it away, whatever.
Yeah. Well, all right. Well, I'm gonna hand it over to him since this is his expertise. So, without further ado, here we go.
All right, so start flipping it over. This particular model, you have to remove the battery in order to get in there. It's probably a good idea anyway. There's a screw right here, a little Phillips head screw. You can see because of the flash. And that's all on this one. These little clips just kind of pop up. Hard drive. Huh. So you can put an SSD in there if you want. You don't need a screwdriver for this. Alright. See the port. See the cables. This is the mounting hardware, and it just has these 4 little pillars which poke into where the screws would be. Here, 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 and here. And they match up with these as well. You just have to make sure you put everything back in there correctly. And it is officially installed. This down here is the RAM. If you were upgrading it, that can also help speed it up, but we're not touching that today. So if we cover this back up, make sure all the clips are down.
So what kind of laptop is it?
It's an HP Envy.
Envy.
We'll just put this back in. All good. And you're done. So now, I don't want to show you guys his login information, but you just turn it on. You might have to run a system check just so it can realize that everything's still there. But yeah, HP is loading. All is good. Let me sign in real quick once it pops up. And there we go. And it's already ready to go. Before, none of this down here, let me turn it so you can see it. Before, none of this down here would have been loaded yet. It's already ready to go.
Show them the speed.
All right. Just CCleaner. I like CCleaner.
Boom.
Boom. It's ready to go.
Wow.
Yep.
Open up the internet and see how that does. If it's connected.
All right. It looks like it is. Google Chrome.
Boom. Look at that.
That took a long time before this. So, yeah, this computer is now usable again. I believe it's really going to be a mobile workstation, so it doesn't need the capacity of the 720 gigabytes anyway. Just 500 gigabytes is fine. And it's super fast.
Awesome.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. This is another Dummy Tech Talk.
Well, that's it, I guess. It's just a quick change out.
Taking that out, putting the new one in. Real easy. One screw, one Phillips head screw, no problem at all.
And they're not all like that, but
Right.
this one is.
My older laptop had like 6 or 7 screws.
Well, if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you ain't a subscriber. Hit the bell for notifications
Yes.
for our next videos. And share. Share us away.
That helps a ton. You have
Yep.
no idea. It's great.
So, we'll see y'all next Tuesday.
Yeah.